Food. Glorious food. Inside every delicious bite, every heaping spoonful, every last drip, splash, chop, drop, sizzle, and are the life-giving nutrients that fuel us to be amazing. We believe digestion is the absolute key to great health and the gateway to unlocking all of the vital benefits you need to live vibrantly. At Enzymedica, we've committed ourselves to creating products that do good for our bodies and our planet. We scour the globe to find the absolute best raw sustainable ingredients, then use rigorous testing and clean manufacturing to turn them into the most powerful products on Earth. Radiant health exists for everyone. It's our mission to help you get there.